everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox Studio collaboration invite error. For that, first thing that you can try and do is head over to your Google Chrome or browser of your choice, and then you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, simply head over to your search bar and then search for Roblox Studio or Roblox Creation Hub in the search bar. Once you've searched for that, simply tap on Roblox Studio. Once you have tapped on Roblox Studio, what you can do is head over to the three lines. Once you've tapped on Roblox Studio, head over to the three lines at the top left of your screen, or what you can also do is head over to your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, what you must do again is head over to the creations. Once you're inside the creations, tap on your creation, and then what you can do is copy the link of your creation and share it with your creation. And then what you must do is head over to your creations, tap on your game. Once you're inside the game, what you must do is tap on your game settings. Once you're inside the game settings, head over to permissions and make sure that the person that you want to invite is on your active friends list or your group role list. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.